Hi friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how many ways to get username from email ID in Excel data. I have an Excel sheet. It contains all person details: ID, first name, last name, gender, and email. Now I want to extract the domain name, username from this given email ID. What we consider the username and domain name in the any email ID. After the at the rate, it will consider the domain name, and before the at the rate, it will consider as the username. Now I want to get how to get the usernames for these 874 records, and how to separate the username from the email ID. Now I will show in this demo. There are two ways to do this. Two ways to extract username from email. First one is by using text to columns. Text to columns in Excel. So how to do it? If you go to data tab, then there you find text to columns. Now I'm copying the whole column in F. Now I'm applying the text to columns first method on F column. First click the data, and here you find the text to columns. So when you click this, it is automatically radio button is clicked and delimited, and go to next. It asking for separating the um, delimiter. If you want to delimit tab, semicolon, comma, which delimiter you want. No, I am preferring to take other, and I am using here the at symbol. At is the separator in the email. So I'm clicking next and finish. If you finish this, then the email field is separated with username in one column and domain name in other column. So see, observe. This is the email ID, and this is the username. This is the domain name. If you see, all these 874 records are separated with username and domain name accordingly. This is the one way to do. Now I am taking the other way to write by using formulas. By writing formula, I will write the formula letter. Now, what formula you want to write? First, you need to click the is equal to. First, here find you find the at symbol. At symbol, where you find the at symbol? At symbol is the one built-in formula is there in the Excel sheet. If you find the at from the string, for for which character you need to search. You need to search. Here I want to search for at. At from which column you want to search. Here I am mentioning the column name as E2. E2 means that email column. And close the process and enter. It shows the at symbol in the first email as shown as 8th place. We want not the number and place of the at symbol. We want the what is the text before the at symbol. Further, we use adding one more function, a string function, that is called left function. Left will put the left left side of the string. I am taking as the E2 as the email column, and go to the extend and, and enter. So it shows it will include username includes at symbol as well. We don't want at symbol. We want just username. To remove the at symbol from the formula, just you put minus one at the end and enter. See here. Now there is no at symbol. And drag the entire one. Here you find everything is at symbol is removed. Just username is separated from the given email ID. So this is how you need to two ways you need to get the username in Excel sheet. First one is by using the text columns, and second one is by using the formula. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.